Hey, what is up YouTube? I'm at the creek again with another knife review for you. Alright, I got this knife. This is a real steel Pathfinder folding knife. Now this is the Scandi version of the knife. Your knife is going to come in a box like this, and this is the model. It is Denim Micarta. Alright, real steel Pathfinder with a stat card, right? A diagram, a polishing cloth, and here's the folder itself. It's got a spacer there, liners, you see the skeletonized pocket clip as well. It has a crossbar type of lock that's basically similar to an axis lock. And this knife right here is my only other knife that I currently own that has Denim Micarta, right, blue Micarta. Pretty nice. All right, so this just has an opening groove, so to speak. All right, but this is a liner lock, and this is actually called, the brand is Tuna Fire. Weird. I think it would be good for men or women because, you know, we both wear blue jeans, but if your girl's wearing some Daisy Dukes, I think this needs to be sticking out of them. That's what I think. Alright, so I've already reviewed this version of the Pathfinder folder, but as you can see, the differences are G10 handle scales compared to the Micarta, right, and the conventional edge versus Scandi grind. Here's some wildlife for you. Oh yeah, beautiful animal there. There it is. There they go. Oh, what's up? What's up, homie? Are we going this way now? Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. Now the steel on this is 14C28N. Hold on. It's actually written on the blade. Can you see that? So that is a Swedish Sandvik stainless steel. As you can see, it has a fuller. It's got some jimping right there. Once again, here is the deployment, and I am left-handed, so this is my offhand, right? So no problem even with my offhand. Right, so this lock, I think you know how these locks work, right? You can pull the lock down. Now, if you're not sure what a Scandi grind is, well, basically there's a bevel right there, but there's no edge bevel. A bevel is just a change in angle. Like that grind just, you know, becomes the edge. So because there's no edge bevel, so to speak, right there, when you're slicing through, there's no speed bump effect at all. Right? Just makes for a wicked slicer. This has a detent. It's not going to come out with normal use, right? If you apply a lot of force, like, you can overcome that and swing it out like that. But with normal use, right? With normal use, it's not going to swing out. And you can see the lineage, right? You can see that this is based on a fixed blade, right? There's like a fixed blade version of this floating around. I mean, this thing's like a laser. Paracord. This is bike tire tubing. This is a strap similar to a seat belt. Goes through it easily. This is a piece of a box. Utility function. I'm going to draw it down this a little. Now a Scandi grind is not always that good for drawing down a piece of wood, okay, because, well, sometimes it just bites in at too much of an angle. But I'll just draw it down the end. That'll be fine. All right. Make the end pointed. Oh, that was fast. Okay. Alright, so there you go. Now maybe we do the other end. make a punji steak. Now you gotta be a little bit careful with this Scandi edge, Scandi grind, right? A little bit careful. It's just a very fine edge. Alright, so anyway, little carving now, it's pointy at both ends, right? Yeah, so far this brand Real Steel has really impressed me. It just seems like they have very good attention to detail, and they take designs that are a very good basis. You know, they take solid designs and then they execute, right? They execute with precision, you know, much like me. All right, here is the knife in the pocket. All right, that's the pocket clip in use. Here's a close-up of that skeletonized deep carry pocket clip. Seems to work okay. I hope you're all doing well. Hope you enjoy the scenery, especially those of you, maybe you're in a big city and you know, can't get out to places like this. Well, you can if you subscribe to my channel. I'll take you out there. All right, so this knife, smooth deployment, check. Comes with a very sharp edge, check. Looks nice, check. Ergonomic, comfortable, yes. Gives a good grip, yes. Secure lockup, yeah, there's no play. Now another use would be cutting up food. I didn't bring any food to cut up, but I mean, if you're familiar with what a Scandi grind is, this will lightsaber through, I don't know what you're cutting up. Maybe you trapped a squirrel or something. Yeah, this will definitely cut through soft organic matter. So, this knife, pretty awesome for a folder. Now, do I think it was meant to replace your Mora knife out here? No, I don't think so. Even the designer, the same designer has designed fixed blades, right? So even the designer is not suggesting that, you know, you replace all your fixed blades. That's not what this is about. But there are times when a folder is just the most convenient option. Do I think this is mainly like a knife I would use outdoors, or is it kind of like a switch, like you would carry it around town? Well, see, that's the benefit of this. If you just need a pocket knife for when you're not in the wilderness, this can serve as a great pocket knife. That's an epic slicer. And if I am around town doing stuff and then I want to take a little diversion to the creek, and you know, we have hunting and fishing at the creek or just a camp out, and if I had this in my pocket, it could serve my uses for just a short little outing, right? All right, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like fun, informative, friendly, upbeat reviews of knives and other gear, be sure to subscribe to me. This has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.